Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Alvin Craddock. As you know, I direct the Bascom Honors Program, but I'm also a political scientist. And so really take a social science approach to a lot of different things. And
I'm Dr. Kolbeck. I'm a biologist. Um,
and we're both here to talk today about a brand new course in honors, which is Genetics and Genealogy, INTD297H. It's a brand new course. We're piloting it for the very first time and really excited about teaching it. And as you heard, Dr. Kolbeck's a scientist. I'm a social scientist. And what we're doing is bringing those two lenses to the topic of genetics and all of the commercial genetics programs that you've heard about. And in fact, we'll be asking everyone in this course to use 23andMe and take the test to get your results to learn about genetics and genealogy. Dr. Kolbeck, you want to tell them about the genetics portion of the course?
sure. So my expertise is in inferring ancestry, using genetic tools to infer ancestry, and I did that in my PhD and my postdoc in wild animals. But the same approach works for humans. And so that's what I want to help students to do is to understand their ancestry, and in particular their results from their 23andMe tests. And in essence, there there are a lot of people that take these tests and just don't know what to make of their results. And so my goal is to give students the basic genetic skills that they need to to take a deep dive into the results and actually get some meaningful information out of them.
And then from the social science perspective, what these commercial DNA tests have done is opened up a lot of doors, as Dr. Kolbeck said, in terms of the science of understanding our basic DNA structures and how that has changed over time, but also lots of doors about the ideas of identity, about economics of DNA, medicine, the use in medicine, the use by politicians over time, and genetics and using genetics. And then really we're going to look at the future. So in this course, it's going to be required that every student who takes the course has to do a 23andMe test. So if that's something you don't want to do and be part of, this is not the course for you. But if instead you've always been interested about that, you'll get the test as part of the course material, so you don't have to purchase it extra. Probably about day 2, we'll ask you to spit in the tube so we can send those results off so we can get them back, and Dr. Kolbeck can help you interpret the results once they get back. So you'll be learning about genetics, the basics of genetics. You'll be learning it using your genetics. And then the other part of the course is that you'll be actually also trying to connect your genetics to history, to genealogy databases, your own family history, so that you can really flesh out a profile and get a start on doing some genealogy about who you are. And then of course we'll be looking at the social aspects of that and the other aspects as well. Dr. Kolbeck, anything else we need to tell anyone that they may find interesting?
I think that sounds like it.
Yeah, so it's going to be an exciting course. It's got a project that's all about you. It's going to be science. It's going to be social science. And I think, it's the first time we're going to do it. So we'll all be learning together. So looking forward to having you join us in this class.